Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about how rsplit function is going to work. Rsplit function generally take a delimiter. Delimiter means here comma, explanation, hashtag, question mark, any type of special symbols which are to be taken, or if we present inside the string, then entire string words is converted to the in a list form. In list form, how it is going to be work, let's see. Suppose r there is a text. Within the text I will taken as a apple, pineapple, orange. Okay, so here delimiter means comma, x equal to text dot r split, within the bracket you have to declare as a comma, then print x. Let's see what is going to be written. Okay, I go for here Python, then r split underscore string underscore func dot py. So there is some wrong inside this stri fun. Okay, not func. Okay, it returns you in the list form apple, pineapple and orange. Let's see another example. Text equal to my website name is Lingaraj Tech Hub, then x equal to text dot r split, within split type your comma, print x. Fine. Then when you going to be run this code, what is going to be written here? My website name is LingarajTechhub. It returns in the form of the list. Okay, it return in the form of list. So if you have any doubt, go through the comment box, type there, I go through it and check it. Then please like this video, subscribe this channel, click on the bell icon. When I upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Please share this video also. Thank you.